Tigernix Water Reticulation Solution. The Tigernix Water Reticulation Solution enables advanced Industry 4.0 capabilities via a comprehensive platform to optimize water flow, infrastructure health, and service demand in real time. This solution combines AI-driven analytics, IoT-powered monitoring, and digital twin simulations to create intelligent networks that ensure cost-effective and sustainable water delivery across expansive systems. The Tigernix Reticulation Solution integrates cutting-edge technologies such as AI-powered demand forecasting, blockchain-enabled procurement tracking, live mapping, and dynamic financial modeling. Empower your water reticulation systems with Tigernix's intelligent automation today. Connect with Tigernix today to meet our digital transformation consultants by emailing us at info@tigernix.com or dialing +656 760 6647. Tigernix Water Reticulation Solution. Win undying public trust with seamless water uptime.